Hi guys, in today's video I'm showing you how to add transition in TikTok. The process of adding transition is really simple and easy. All you have to do is open your application. After it opens, record a new video by tapping on this plus icon, which is on the bottom of the mobile screen. And for recording video, swipe to the right side. And here we can record our videos. So first, let's record a video for 10 seconds. And then I will show you how can you add transition. So I recorded a video for 10 seconds, and I will add few transitions in it. So after recording, tap on the tick icon, which is on the bottom right. And here you can see a lot of options on the right side of your screen. From these options, tap on the option Effects. And in Effects, you will see some filters, trending, new, visual. And here is the option Transition. Tap on it. So here are some pre-made transition, which you can use on your TikTok videos. From here, select a transition. Just for example, I will select this countdown. Let's place it. So here I arrange the first transition. Now let's add a second transition. I'll arrange the second after a few seconds. As you can see, the next transition has been ended. Now again, play the video for a few seconds and stop it to that point where you want to add another transition and select the next transition. So as you can see, the third transition has been added in this video. Let's play the video from the start. So as you see, by using the same method, you can add transition in TikTok videos.